So when I was changing my window regulator, I made the mistake of unplugging the airbag and then testing the window regulator, which then got me that the airbag sign on the dashboard. So there was I went through the forums, and one guy said, you know, try testing it with the other airbag. So I took the other airbag out, and when I took that one out, I realized I broke this clip here. So this clip is supposed to have like four pointers like this, 1, 2, 3. So you can see the 2 are broken. So the idea is that those 2 come in and they block those 2 silver pieces here. So when you insert it into the airbag, they must block those bottom silver bits. So I'm gonna cut a piece of credit card and just stick it over those 2 in the front of these. So you can see I placed one over there. I'm gonna place the other one over. So you can see I put the 2 pieces in there, and then I pulled the back cover a little bit back, and those 2 went in. But as I insert it in here, it should push through forward. So you'll see if I switch on my car, I've still got that airbag light that comes on. It does flash 1 second and then carries on. It still remains on. I've got this B800 airbag reset tool, so I'm going to try and reset it now. Okay, so let's check. It's throwing out error 5. That's the left hand side airbag. I'm going to try and clear it. Airbag lights flashing. Okay, I'm just gonna, looks like it's gone off. Just gonna try and start the car. Yeah, looks like that sorted it out.